Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Boujee on a Budget. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I'm going to be showing you how to make probably the easiest recipe of all time that I have not tried yet, but chocolate covered oranges. And it's literally exactly what I said, chocolate covered oranges with like a sprinkle of sea salt. So ingredients being oranges, chocolate chips melted down, and sea salt, like little chunks. So let's get preparing, because it's not really cooking. So okay, so first we're just gonna start by peeling the oranges. Next, you're gonna want to start boiling some water so that you could put the pan. Usually you're supposed to use a glass bowl, so I'm hoping this works the same, but this will melt the chocolate a lot more efficiently than melting it in the microwave. Okay, so after that's all done, you put them in the refrigerator for 20 minutes, and then the chocolate will harden and they'll be ready to eat. But in the meantime, if you have extra chocolate, you could either, I guess, just cover strawberries if you want. I'm trying to think what else. Pecans, ooh, maybe strawberries with like pecans sprinkled on them would be really good. Ooh, that sounds good. I should have gotten strawberries and pecans. Or you can just eat the chocolate, which is what I'm going to do. Because there's all this chocolate. I'm not going to let it go to waste. So I'm going to eat the rest of it. Oh my god, that's so good. You can judge me all you want. But I'm the one that's sitting here with chocolate and you're not. So they are finished. The chocolate is set. And I've ran into a problem. You're supposed to put them on parchment paper so they don't stick. I didn't have parchment paper, so I thought, what's the big deal? Half of it comes off. But they're delicious.